very excited. In the car, kasi sobrang sumisigaw na ako, and I had jitters, and I felt like there were butterflies in my belly. Pero ito, excited, I think more than being nervous, excited talaga ako. Mistaken ko lang siya na, kinakabahan ako, pero hindi ko excited lang talaga ako.
Nung send-off party mo, no, medyo parang you're not feeling well.
Yes, I was really sick during the send-off party.
Ngayon, kamusta ka na?
I'm better now. I'm still taking my medicines. Siyempre, kailangan nasa maayos pagpunta doon dahil everyday kami may ginagawa. Siyempre, may mga physical activities kami. So, I made sure na dala ko yung gamot ko tsaka yung mga vitamins ko.
Okay. So, naka-ready naman yung evening, gagawin natin evening gown, yung national costume.
Everything's ready. Actually, kakatapos lang namin mag-rehearse kagabi ng Dances of the World ko, yung single dance. And I'm very excited to showcase what the Philippines has to offer this year.
Okay.
Kasi yung gumawa ng gown mo, tsaka yung
national costume, ano inspiration?
Ang gumawa po ng evening gown ko for the finals night is Francis Diaz. He's a good friend of mine, and I'm happy that he was willing to make my gown for the finals night. And I'm very, very excited to showcase what we have to show. Parang iba-iba kasi, like for the past 2 years it's been red, and this year we chose coral as a color. And we just think that it's very sweet and, you know, enchanting color for this year. And we feel that it's a winning color.
So, national costume yung mga anak?
Yes, it's my personal choice, Francis.
Sa national costume, anong inspiration ng costume mo?
Well, of course, since yung Dances of the World ko ay singkil, ang pinili namin ang muna costume, yung sang-ayon doon sa dance. So, para siyang...
Mindanao princess.
Yes, I'm dressed up like a princess there. May salimanok ako, tapos parang may veil, may namin alam kung maglalagay ng pinag-sash.
Pressure ka ba? Kasi yung mga naging between natin recently lang is nag-uwi ng crown. Ikaw ba?
Well, hindi ko naman iniisip yun. Basta ako going there to have fun, to enjoy the experience that I'm there. Ngayon ko lang mararanasan to sa buong buhay ko. So might as well make the most out of it. Hindi ko na isipin na paano yung nagawa ng iba. Iisipin ko kung ano yung pwede ko gawin para sa ikabubuti. Well, for the Philippines to be proud of me.
Anong klaseng support ay na-receive mo ngayon pa lang sa mga Filipinos, your family, your friends?
Ibang klase talaga yung support na natanggap ko mula sa mga kaibigan ko, yung mga pamilya ko, at syempre sa buong sambayanan. Nakakatuwa. Kasi lahat sila involved, lahat sila willing na natulungan ako at i-promote and to, you know, because I think it's a milestone for us to reach this far in the world of pageantry and to show the world what we have to offer in terms of being a spokesperson for Miss World. And we want to show them that, hey, the Philippines is a great representative. We can, you know, we can talk to other people, we can encourage other people, inspire people, and this year, hopefully, we see that.
May lucky charm ka bang dala o ano yung pinakonsider mong lucky charm?
I think my lucky charm is my smile.
Okay.
So, I just think that if you think positive and if you bring your heart with you in anything that you do, then that's a lucky charm.
Okay. Are you number 1 now? Number 1 ka na ba?
Actually, neck kami ni Miss Malaysia, I think, for the first spot in the voting. So, I'm just hoping na yung mga Filipinos, fellow Filipinos, or the supporters there from Miss Philippines, from Miss World, ay patuloy pa rin po na bumoto para maging number 1 po tayo sa
Sa yung mga pageant critics natin, ang dami nagsasabi na maiuwi mo kayong corona. Ano ang reaction mo pag naririnig mo nakakabasa ka ng gano'n?
Nakakataba ng puso, syempre, kasi they see something in me, and it's nice when you hear it coming from other people rather than you claiming it yourself. Of course, parang sa sarili mo yun, i-claim mo. Pero it's not like sasabihin mo lang, ako na. It's nice when you hear it coming from other people. Kasi at least, you know, your efforts are being given.
Sa tingin mo, ano yung meron ka nung wala sa ibang candidates?
I don't know. Well, kasi the thing is, pagdating sa competition, lahat kami handa, lahat magaganda, lahat matatalino. But I think that I have more to offer in terms of what I want to do with the organization. I know that I have a lot of plans in the future. It may be a bit non-traditional, but I really want to help out, and I really have that genuine desire to showcase the world what the Philippines is.
May mensahe mo sa mga kababayan natin na walang tigil na sumusuporta ka nagpe-pray for you?
Well, maraming salamat sa mga Pinoy na all around the world na sumusuporta sa atin. Salamat sa inyo, salamat sa yung mga nasa States na kamag-anak ko, mga kababayan ko, from around the world kasi, they've really been helping out with promotion and with helping with the voting system, encouraging me, and it really feels great. And yun talaga ang dadalhin ko sa Indonesia is the support and the love that you all give to me.
Okay.